In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track steps on MyFitnessPal with an easy setup. Whether you're new to MyFitnessPal or looking to integrate step tracking into your daily health routine, this guide will help you get started effortlessly. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to begin by opening the MyFitnessPal app on your phone. You'll be greeted with the main screen offering various options. Look for the login area and tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and password associated with your MyFitnessPal account. Once you've filled in these details, tap the login button to gain access to your personalized dashboard. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see three dots. This is your menu button. Give it a quick tap. In the menu, look for an option labeled Steps. Tap on Steps to bring up the step tracking options available to you. Here, MyFitnessPal will present different options for integrating step data with the app. For this setup, we'll focus on using Fitbit as our step source, so go ahead and tap on Fitbit. You'll then see an option to connect your Fitbit account to MyFitnessPal. Locate the Connect button and tap it to initiate the linking process. Next, you'll need to input your Fitbit email and password and then click Login. Moving forward, the app will prompt you to continue with Google, allowing easier access to manage accounts linked with Google. Click on Continue with Google, then choose the account you'd like to associate with MyFitnessPal. You may see some checkboxes here. Make sure to check these and then click on Agree and Continue to proceed. After agreeing to the terms, you'll need to enter a few of your details to help customize your MyFitnessPal experience, like personal fitness goals or current activity levels. Once you've input all relevant information, click on Save and Continue. After saving, tap on Continue to move forward. MyFitnessPal will prompt you with another agreement notification, so hit Agree and Continue one more time. You'll see some toggles to activate different permissions. It's crucial to enable all of them to ensure full integration between the apps. Turn them on and then select Save and Continue. A final step includes allowing necessary permissions. You'll see an Allow All option. Tap that and you might need to press Allow again. Every click ensures that your Fitbit data flows smoothly into MyFitnessPal without any hitches. Concluding this setup, you should see an option labeled Get Started Now. Click it and you're all set to track your steps efficiently through MyFitnessPal. And there you have it. You've successfully set up step tracking on MyFitnessPal using your Fitbit account. Now, every step you take will contribute to achieving your health and fitness goals.